Today we're going to take a comprehensive look at this stick vacuum. This is the Levoit LVAC 300. So first we're going to start off, we're going to learn how to work it. I'm going to show you its different functions and features. And then we're really going to put it to the test and see if it does perform as advertised. And then finally, I will just give you my general thoughts and feelings about this vacuum. The Levoit LVAC 300 stick vacuum has 3 attachments, making it suitable for all types of cleaning. The standard vacuum head is perfect for hard surface floors and carpet. It also comes with an anti-tangle brush that reduces hair getting caught around the brush and agitator. The mini motorized brush is great for upholstery and stairs. It features a port that swivels as you move, which allows better contact with the material that you're cleaning for better suction and cleaning. The 2-in-1 crevice tool is perfect for getting into tight spaces, and the retractable brush is great for dog beds and around baseboards or beside and underneath appliances. It features 3 different power modes: Eco, which is great for hard surfaces and light cleaning. This will get you up to 60 minutes of runtime with the crevice tool, or about 40 minutes of runtime with the vacuum or mini motor brush. The mid mode will get you more power with less runtime, and then finally, the turbo mode. This is going to give you about 12 minutes of runtime, but it's going to have the most suction or power. I do like the low profile. It makes it really easy to reach underneath couches and furniture. It also has a HEPA filter that will capture dirt, dust, and allergens. It does stand on its own, or it comes with a mounting bracket that you can mount it to the wall. The charging cable plugs into the side of the battery, which is removable, and then the battery does have an LED display showing the battery life, and the handle has a digital display showing the remaining battery in percentage. The vacuum is lightweight at 6.61 pounds, and it's really easy to maneuver. I found the swivel head on the vacuum to be very responsive, making it easy to clean around chairs and along edges. Cleaning this vacuum is super simple, as the dustbin is removable to dump out when you're all finished. Also, the brush rollers are both removable from the vacuum and mini brush. If anything does get stuck in the brush roller, you have easy access without any screws, which makes maintenance super easy. Now, when testing the vacuum, I started with suction. So I did do a test on this using a meter, and this vacuum itself reached 17 KPA. Now, when compared to some other vacuums, that's very comparable. I have a corded vacuum that measured at 14 KPA and another off-brand stick vacuum that also hit 17 KPA. So what that tells me is this vacuum does have a good amount of suction and power. Now, this test isn't perfect, but it's one good data point because you need at least a minimum amount of KPA for the vacuum to perform well. Now, I did find that this vacuum had a great amount of suction and power, and I didn't have any issues. It picked up all of the dirt, dust, and debris that I wanted it to. So suction, KPA, power, very good on this machine. Now, one of its features that it advertises is the tangle-free brush here on the roller. So I did test that using a couple pieces of floss, and I just laid those on the ground and then I vacuumed it up. Now, I did notice that one of the pieces of floss did get stuck here. So in the vacuum head, it has these little teeth or a comb, and I think that's to help grab stuff so it doesn't get caught on the roller, and it just helps guide things to where they need to go within the vacuum. Now, one of the pieces of floss did get stuck on that. However, when I compared the floss test to this vacuum to another corded vacuum that I have, both of those pieces of floss got stuck around the brush roller and I had to pull them off. And then looking at the brush rollers, this roller has blades instead of just those bristles. So you'll see that basically no hair is caught on this roller when you're done. Compared to another roller, same house, same kind of conditions, all of this hair is wrapped around that brush roller. So the claim here is that it's tangle free, and I think it really did meet that expectation. You're not getting a bunch of hair and stuff that gets on this roller, and that's really going to reduce the amount of maintenance that you have to do on this machine. The other cool feature with that is that the brush roller is removable, which does help with maintenance as well. Looking at battery performance, I was very impressed. So compared to the listing, it's advertised that on its turbo mode, it will run for 12 minutes with the vacuum head, eco mode 40 minutes, and then if you put on the crevice tool, it will last up to 60 minutes. So I tested The turbo mode at my own house with the vacuum head, I vacuumed my entire house. I've got a 2,500 square foot home. I didn't rush through it, but I did move at a nice, moderate working pace, and I was able to vacuum my entire house. So a couple of bedrooms, the kitchen, so hard surface floors, the carpet. I vacuumed everything, and I still had time left over, and I got 15 minutes of runtime on its highest setting, so turbo mode. So it definitely exceeded expectations there. They advertised 12 minutes. I got 15, so I was very impressed with that. I did take it over to my mom's house and vacuumed. She's got a 4,500 square foot home. I vacuumed her house for about 40 minutes, and then I went on to do other things. But either way, I got 40 minutes of runtime with the vacuum head, and I still had juice left. And then honestly, I didn't even bother to test the last advertisement, which was that you can do the crevice tool up to 60 minutes on eco mode. Honestly, based on the performance of the other two tests, I would say it would meet that, if not exceed that. But that is with the crevice tool. I'm not exactly sure what the specific use case for that would be. Maybe you're doing your baseboards in your house, or you're doing the entire neighborhood's baseboards. But all that to say, you could use the crevice tool for a really long time with this vacuum. So overall battery performance, I am very impressed with it. It did exceed expectations when it came to what it advertised it could do. Now do keep in mind that you are using this vacuum at your traditional kind of living temperature. So like, 65 degrees to somewhere to 75 degrees. When you have batteries like this, if you're way low, if you're lower than that or really high and it's hotter, that will impact the performance of the battery. So if you're storing this, in a garage somewhere where it's really cold and that battery gets really cold, that could impact the runtime. And the same would be said if it's really hot. So just keep that in mind. Normal living temperatures, 65 to 75 degrees, you'll probably do just fine with the battery as advertised, and I'm really happy with it. And on that note, it advertised that it will charge within 3 to 4 hours. So I did test that. I ran the battery all the way down from 0 to a full charge. It took just about 4 hours. So again, it met that expectation. Checking the sound or loudness of the vacuum, it advertises 77 decibels. When I tested it, it met right at that range, 77 decibels. I was about 3 feet away with my meter from the vacuum, which is probably about an arm's length away as you would be from the vacuum. From what I can tell, it's just about as loud as other vacuums and maybe a little bit on the quieter side. So as far as that, it does meet his expectations at 77 decibels. Finally, talking about the things that I really like about this vacuum, the removable brush roller, the different attachments that it comes with as well. So it's really cool that you can kind of mix and match. That other smaller brush roller, that turbo brush that I use for the furniture, you can use it for stairs, you can use it for car seats, tons of different use cases. So I like the 2 different brush rollers that it comes with, and then the crevice tool. So typically these stick vacuums aren't gonna come with 2 different brush rollers. So I really like that it does come with a lot of different attachments. And then the fact that the brush rollers are removable, again, that's such a big deal. It makes maintenance so easy on these machines. Just using vacuums for so long over the years, something happens over time. You're gonna get a stick or a piece of, a candy wrapper or something. It's gonna clog the machine. And it's really tedious when you wanna take, find out the problem and you're taking out all of these different screws. So the nice thing is that you're really quickly and easily able to take the brush roller out, find the problem, put the machine back together. So maintenance is a breeze on a machine like this. And also, it comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. So if there's anything wrong with it from the manufacturer's side of things, they will go ahead and take care of you on that side. So it's got a nice warranty that comes along with it. So you've got that peace of mind for 2 years that if there's a defect with it that came from the factory, they'll go ahead and get you taken care of. Now, full disclosure, Levoit did send me this for free in exchange. I told them I would test it out, make some videos showing how to use it, and give my general thoughts and feelings about the vacuum. So overall, I am really happy with it. I'm very impressed, and it is going to become part of my regular cleaning routine. It will be up in my kitchen, the standard stick vacuum that we'll have on hand, ready to just pick up any spills, messes or anything like that, or just do our daily cleaning. So I am really happy with it so far. I will continue to make videos about it and give any updates as I find them and discover them myself. If you do have any questions about anything, something that I missed, don't be shy. Feel free to hit me up in the comments. I try to answer as many questions as I can. And then as a company, I do like Levoit. They've got other products. So I've got videos about their air purifiers and their humidifiers. You can check out those videos next. Again, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.